Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson. This one's going to be a quick one, but I want to introduce you to a very useful function inside the random method, which is very useful in this case and can make your life a lot easier. The reason actually I didn't introduce you to this before the practice session that we just had was because I want you to work those muscles and get yourself like familiar and really understand this code. That's why I wanted you to actually write it all the way, when it comes to the length function, when it comes to the random integer and all that stuff. So I just wanted to really I want you to understand this fully. So now that you hopefully have practiced this, I want to introduce you to something named choice function inside the random method. So the idea with this is that we actually don't need to do any of this, if you don't have to, because obviously there are some situations where we need to do this. That's completely fine. But if if you just want to get a particular option out of a list, you actually don't need to do this. There's a much more simpler way to do this. And that is essentially using the choice function inside the random method. So we already have the random method, right? And what I'm going to do, and also we have the list. So we separated by the commas and we're good to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up the random method, random, and we're going to say choice, and we're going to pull up our list. So just like that, this literally is going to do the same thing that we did. And we put all of those two lines of code into a single line of code, just like that. Now, if I run this, we're going to get the same thing. I'm going to say sushi, and let's say pizza. I'm going to enter sandwich, and there you go. The computer has chose sandwich for you, just like that. Nothing crazy. So guys, that is pretty much it. That is how you use the choice function. I just want to point this out again. Very useful in if you want to just make things a lot simpler. But again, it's a whole different way to just randomize things. So let me know if you have any questions. Make sure you do the previous practice. It's really important for you to actually get hands-on coding experience, because that's all there is really. If you want to become a good coder, you need to actually use these things and just practice. That's everything. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions. If not, I'll see you in the next lesson.